Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios. Today we are talking about all the best summer products, and oh my goodness, this GCI Freestyle rocker is definitely one of them. If you are looking for a foldable, portable chair, you're gonna want to check this one out because it is truly special. Not only are you getting a really high quality chair that you can easily fold, easily move, take it camping, take it to the beach, take it tailgating, to the next parade, wherever. This one is so special because it actually has a built-in swinging rocker. How relaxing, how amazing. I've never seen one of these before, and so it's just really, really exciting to have not only that super comfortable foldable portable chair, but one that allows you to kind of glide and rock. It's awesome. It's never going to pinch you or make you struggle to fold it up. It has an EAZY-FOLD technology that makes it so simple to easily fold, easily collapse, and it has a handle to help you carry it. It is only 12 pounds and it takes up a relatively small amount of space. So this is something that you can throw in the back of, the trunk of the car and head to the tailgate, or head to, go camping, or wherever you might want to take your chair. For me, it would be the beach for sure. This also has a cup holder built into it, so you never have to worry about that. The back is going to be very comfortable, and it's also a breathable mesh. So if you are using this outdoors in a hot environment, it's going to allow some airflow, allow a little bit of breathability so you don't get too hot. You're gonna wanna check these out. Definitely, if you're upgrading your foldable portable chairs, this is a great way to do it with something that is super high quality, super easy to move around and convenient, but also extra comfortable and just extra nice to relax in because of all of that rocking. So go ahead and put this in your cart. You'll be so happy you did.